Now the only difference is when I go 1, 2, I open them up and I go a little bit higher. All right, so now I got both hands here. I pull down and I come on the side of him. All right, he knows he's in trouble. He's gonna give me something. It doesn't matter what it is. All right, well, it doesn't matter what it is. And so start back up right here. So now we're right here. What I want to do is pull down on this and push up, right? Like I'm trying to choke him. I can't choke him because I need pressure going on opposite sides. Right now I'm just giving him one, he can roll out, right? To escape the choke. So I'm pushing down and I'm holding here. I sit here and then I roll. Very easy. Pull down underneath, sit here. Now this hand is going to go underneath like so. All right, so we're here, I roll. Okay. And I actually do that.
Do you mind, Sensei, if you do it same move but from the opposite head side so we can see it from the other?
This way?
Yeah, so you go away from us so I can.
Going away from you?
No, everything the same. Just you're going that way. Yeah.
So here I'm pushing down, coming up, circling all the way. So I'm like this. And then I roll this way, not this way. Side roll. Comes on real quick. As soon as he taps, let go. Because he might not get a third tap out of him. So tight. Alright. Anybody else need to see it? Yeah, can I see it? I can see it. He looks like a tough guy.
You want my gi so you don't risk that one?
No, I'll be fine. I'm good. These gis are actually perfect for this kind of a choke. It's the difference between being choked with a 3/4 rope, it'll choke you, pop your head off, and a steel cable. And the steel cable's gonna come out a lot quicker. So again, pull down, I go around. Push down so I can switch my weight up. Step over, and just here. Okay? So we're like this. Bring over. All right, turn this a little bit. If I step over, if I do this and try to get over, he's gonna buck me. What did I say to do with this hand? Push. All right, now this weight that's here that I'm giving him with this hand, when my leg gets here, I gotta transfer the weight from my hand to my leg. That's what we were just talking about over there. That's why Sensei Mohammed, we were just talking about Sensei Mohammed. But that's why I'm sitting more on him instead of giving him this kind of pressure with my body. All right, that's the kind of pressure I want to be giving him. So I'm giving him this, and now I switch. And now I'm giving him this kind of weight here. This hand is very important. Okay? Almost as important as the one that's around his throat. When I roll, if I just roll like this, right, look at how he's going to find the hole. See how he rolled right out? Now who's in trouble? Judo, he's got me in Osekomi. I'm actually holding myself in Osekomi form. All right, so the hand is very important. I got to control that arm here. Whether I go like this or I just set it here. It's usually what I do is I just set it. Because now I got him. When he tries to get out of that hole, he chokes himself. Okay? So keep that in mind. All right? So that's just your, my sensei called it like a helicopter choke. The other one is one of my favorites from your motherland, Neil Adams. Right? Neil Adams is a judo player out of the UK. It's an animal. A little long in the tooth now, but it's like, kick the shit out of you. Right? He used to do a rolling shimmy waza. Here. All right, now, what I don't want to do is to come here and roll my head this way. That circle is too big. He's going to feel the hole. All right, so it's the same kind of roll as before, where I drop my shoulder. Remember when we dropped our shoulder last time, went under his arm? Same thing, except for the leg. So now when I drop my shoulder, this foot comes in. It's kind of hard to do from there. All right, so I come here and I'm here. I come here. All right, classical bow and arrow. I pull. I'm not going to do it too much, Paulie. I'm going to pull, pull, push my leg. It's like I'm loading a bow. Okay?
That same concept. If he has my leg, I can't turn out of the choke.
Exactly. If
If
we're
I
like
have
this,
if he has the arm, I can't come out. If he has my leg, I can't come out. But if he has neither, I'm out.
that's why you always say, hey, grab his leg, grab his leg. So without it, I have nothing. And so one more. Roll and shimmy waza. And again, I do this. So we be like this, like we're getting ready to roll. I grab, I yoke down. I'm here. And one thing about these chokes, when you're doing the lapel, sit up from the, sit right here, is how I do my thumb. If I do this, and I grab, it actually creates a little hole here. Right here. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I do the hitchhiker, so I can eliminate that hole.
I feel his thumb going across my neck.
I curve it. You ever see the old, that's what I'm doing is like that, with the gi in my hand. Boom. All right. Need to see it again?
Yeah.
So right from here, same grip. Instead of going all the way over to here, I go here and I turn this way. Okay? I don't want to flip over. I want to kind of like alligator barrel over. So now we're here. Got his leg. Everything's tight. Nothing gets stretched out until I want it to. All right, which means he can't stretch me out. If he's got space, he's gonna get out. Okay? Fall hard to get that position. Maintain it tight. You'll see me like this all the time. Paulie hates it because he knows once I get my center, my chest
Downzo.
over him, he can't get out. So we're here. Boom. I'll even go here and grab both. All right.
Mr. Judge, so show the thumb, please.
The what?
How you put the thumb around the neck and the hole, if it's space, yes.
All right. This is a good example where you'll be able to see it. If I close my hand, there's a little hole right here, right there. All right. That means I got to pull that much more. If I'm like this, all right, even though it looks like there's a hole there, there's contact all the way through here. 3 points of contact. 1, 2, 3. Can't have one without the other.
Is that much tighter?
Yes. Yes?
Is that all?
Yeah.
All right, and here's the great thing about these two throws. Let's say I'm here, and I'm here. He starts to get this leg out. I can go back to that other throw we just did. I didn't want to refund. I was right on his Adam's apple. But I push down and I come here. Boom.
That's a good transition.
Give it a try. This happens a lot in judo. All right. First thing I want to do is, they say establish position. I like to establish dominance. That's how I think. All right. So I take this leg, this right knee, and I'm going to very carefully drive it into it. Turn it off. All right. See how that knee is in there? Now I take my other one and I put it underneath his arm over here. Remember how we grabbed the arm and the leg before when we rolled? It's going to be the same thing. I'm trying to touch my heel on this leg to this knee. And I come here. See how I got him here? And now I just fall this way. I reach down, I grab his arm, I scissor open. Now I got my Seigaku. Right? In judo, I use the Seigaku to get the tie off. And so as soon as I get here and I establish the triangle, right, while I'm working the triangle, I'm working my contingency plan too. In case I don't get him with the triangle, I reach down and I grab his skirt. I don't like the belt too much. Grab his skirt and I pull it over his sleeve and I grab. So now say I don't get him with the Seigaku, he starts moving around, all right? I got him with the pen. For judo, he can't do anything with this arm. So again, here I scissor open, boom. I grab. Now when I grab and I pull, I don't just grab and pull. I grab like this. That way when I'm pulling, I twist. Little trick I learned from Sensei Avi. Now when I get here, I can finish him with the choke. All right?
You have Kimura. Yep. You have another one over here. If you push with the elbow.
Yep, if I come over and put here, it creates a shoulder lock.
Or you sit down and then you put the Kimura. Do the same thing like you did the judo hold.
Oh.
Yeah. And then in jiu-jitsu, over there in jiu-jitsu, yeah, you could have this, or you could have the Kimura over there. Yeah, or Kimura. Yeah. Or you do Kesakatami, you open like from here, you open with the reverse leg.
Yeah.
Then you got a better Kimura.
I'm judo.
Yeah.
Things up. Okay. It all starts with that simple Sengat move. All right. So one more part. Drive that leg. Step in. Overhook. Flip them. Scissor. Clasp. Tie off. Hey, try. What I'm gonna do is I got my grip. I'm gonna lift up and I'm gonna put my leg in. All right, even if his arm gets trapped in there, I don't care. I take this arm and I go underneath his arm and I grab my ankle. Again, that roll we did earlier. Over. And you got me. Okay. This one's real rough on my knees. All right. So. Come in here, I pull up, I step and I grab. All right? I grab. Keep them tight. Just like Avi teaches the seat belt, doing the seat belt with one leg and one arm. Now I just drop this knee and I go this way. All right, now when I get here, if I try to just lock him here, come and look how much shoulder I got from here. All right? This is all shoulder. All right? If I try to lock him, I'm locking his shoulder, not his carotids. So when I get here, I still got this seatbelt grip. I come off and I push myself out. All right, so now when I go over the top, I have no shoulder. There's the choke. Okay? Before we had shoulder.
If you see also the left leg, don't stay where it's now, because then Polly can fight it. What you do, you move it under the enemy, the object body. You lock your leg, and then it go under his body.
Keep this grip, this foot comes. Push my hips out a little bit. Over
And under.
and under. All right? Plus it's pushing him the only way he can go, which is into the choke.
Now, if he's very strong, Sensei James will put his two hands on the floor. Just
This
put
way?
no, this one on your back. Yeah. No, but sit down like this.
Oh yeah, like
and
this,
then
and
just-
pull in.
Yeah, that's it.
And it becomes like a neck crank thing.
That's
mean.
also a neck cramp.
Yeah, that one's mean. All right, but the trick is to get that shoulder out of it. Whenever you do a triangle choke. All right, so I'm here, so my shoulder, boom, push, up, boom. I even keep this here even while I'm choking him because I'm pushing on this elbow too, and my leg is pushing on my arm. So let's get him